So, what do you guys think of with BMW? What do you think about the i8?
I know someone who loved that car, wanted that car for so long, actually finally bought one, bought it used, and believe it or not, your mind's gonna be blown in a second here. He went through 5 motors from BMW, all from the dealership, and they were all fucking lemon. 5 fucking motors blew on that car.
He said the car cost her like almost $20,000 in repairs just over and over. It's
a shame because it's a good looking car.
It looks sexy.
It's a great car. I mean, great looking car, but
until you get it out of it.
Yeah, until you get it out of it. It's a pain in the ass.